Good morning. It's time to trim my onion seedlings. Why do you do it? Let me show you. Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to do some clipping of my onions. You know they haven't been clipped if you still see that seed head on top. What happens is by clipping, the plant will shoot up an extra leaf. So every time you clip it, it will double, triple, and so forth, creating a larger onion. Let's do this one. These are Walla Walla, and I sewed these pretty thick. That smells so good. You have to be very careful. These will pull out so easily. It's just barely got two little roots under there. Make sure your scissors are sharp. I'll come back in a day or two for the ones I've skipped. Okay, I've got most of these clipped. And by doing this, it's going to strengthen the onion. Another leaf is going to go straight up along with it. It's going to multiply the leaves, strengthen, you know. If you're growing them by a window, they will be leaning towards the window, and you want to rotate those trays every day because they literally will move every day. And by doing that, you strengthen the onion and the roots. Or you can use a very gentle fan, or you can simply rub your hand along the tops. I've added some more seeds in here in these sparse areas and hoping they come up. Every variety. Oops, see? That was an accident. They are barely, and I mean barely, in there. So I'm gonna do that. Let's stick it back in. Hope it takes. You gotta be careful. So easy to pull them out. That smells so good. I planted several varieties this year, so we shall see. I've never had much luck starting onion from seed, so I'm hoping for great things this year. Did I miss anybody? Okay. There you go. We'll check back in, see how we're doing later. Let's see the ones over by the window. So it's about 7 in the morning, and I've got a big picture window here, but it only puts out so much light. But you see where I cut these? They split off, and they made another, each one of these made another leaf that comes up the onion. So these have all been trimmed And I'm turning these trays every day because by the end of the day, all of them are going that way. Growing onions is interesting. By trimming, it causes another leaf to grow up the shaft and split and make a stronger plant with more leaves. Did you know every leaf on an onion represents another layer of onion on the bulb? These were clipped about a week ago. If you use a tweezer when you plant, and you can really specifically put the seed in one place, you don't have that happening. But if you've got several in your fingers, you just can't help but drop a bunch in one spot. Very hard to get it exactly unless you use a tweezer, which I did not do. You can click that link up on the top right and see when I actually seeded these. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.